What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So this is the series where we continue to make NASCAR throwbacks. Now, you guys know I always gotta pack a pinch of tobacco whenever I'm recording. You know, the name's Nussie Copen, which brings me to another topic. Let's try to make Harry Gant's skull car. I think we can do it. I think we could probably do a couple different variations of his skull paint schemes. Change it to a Chevy. Now, I do know a lot of you guys have been commenting different paint schemes to try to make. It's a matter of me finding time and trying to create those to see if I even can. And I did recently just post on a NASCAR Heat 5 forum on Facebook. If you guys have any more recommendations, which you guys were fantastic and gave me more to do. So just bear with me. I will ultimately get to the paint scheme that you guys are talking about or recommending. And if I can do it, I'll do it. If I can't, I can't. So now that we're down to number 33, let's see his font. His font had a little bit of a squarish style to it. Might honestly run with that. That'll probably be the best. So our base coat, I think our base coat, we're gonna make it green, a dark green. Let's see if we can go darker than this. Head up to green. That's as dark as we're gonna get. Looks like they added a couple more paint schemes in here as well. I think we're going to run initially with this one right here. We're going to change that top portion to white. And this one right here, let's just throw it black just for kind of texture, shits for giggles type deal, right? So right there, we've got our base pretty much going. His wheels were black. His spoiler was black or the green, which let's put it as the green just for right now. All the way down to that green. Boom. Let's head over to our decals. The skull bandit was obviously white with a little bit of red in it. So let's run with Eris. And on the side he had white. Let's do that. Rear quarter, go back with Eris. Deck lid was the same as his hood, so we are going to run with Eris here. And let's just run something white on the rear, something a little bit different from Brent. So right there is one variation that you can run for Harry Gant's skull paint scheme. Now he did also do the mint instead of the wintergreen, so you can also go to, let's see here, blue and roll with the darker blue. You want to go with that one? Let's roll with that one for right now. Hopefully I pick the same one. Looks like it's the same one, so you can also run that. This is actually a pretty cool paint scheme that you guys can try to throw together. Also, let me just scroll down here a little bit. He did run a solid green paint scheme. Oh yeah, there we go. Solid green. Let's go back to the green here. And then his rim color was actually gold. Wonder if we can go with a little bit better gold than that. It's too much yellow for me. Let's see. Maybe we can find a solid gold in here that we like. Light gold, but I don't want to go too light. So let's run with that. So you can also run that right there Now, while we're at it, let's just check through these other paint schemes, see what else we can try to finagle here. Guess you could also run this, because he did have the one paint scheme where it ran over the top. He did have lines on the side. He had two lines going right over by the 33 on the side of the car, but he had the white roof, white hood, and white deck lid, so this is another variation that you could also run. Let's look and see what else we got going on here. See, I don't like the white necessarily on the hood, the way that it's there, but we could run white up top and run that. Or, better yet, you could change that to the white and change this. I guess it doesn't look like keep that white, and you could run it this way as well. So we're up to what? 4 different Harry Gant skull paint schemes. Obviously, you can change the rim color back to black here. Kind of give it that extra oomph. I think you're going to want to run Eris for a lot of this paint scheme. Just want to see if you had any other variations that we could possibly make on here for the 33 car, which was skull. I am not seeing anything really extravagant that we haven't done so far. What's this one? Well, while we're at it, I guess we can look through and see some of these other paint schemes. Now that we're done with creating Harry Gant, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Drop a comment down below for who you guys would like to see next. I'm just going to throw some miscellaneous random colors on here, just so we can check out the different paint schemes. See if we can figure out which ones are new. I think that's great, because for what we do and what I'm doing in this series on the channel, having more paint scheme options in here is going to help us out big time. This is definitely new. That's definitely new. Which I like both of them. Don't get me wrong. I like both of them. Like if you were to change that to the white like we had it before, I think that looks good in and of itself as well. I think people will definitely understand if you guys are doing a number 33 Harry Gant car. People will understand using any of those paint schemes that I just showed you guys what the intent there is. Especially somebody that has followed NASCAR for a while. With myself being somebody who uses smokeless tobacco, I always knew the skull car. Even though I don't dip skull, I knew the skull car. But anyway, guys, I wanted to thank all of you guys that are dropping the suggestions down below. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I will try to get to as many as possible. There's been a lot of requests, which is a freaking fantastic thing. It's just a matter of finding time, tinkering with it, trying to figure out if I can make the paint schemes or not, and then record, edit, all that fun jazz. But anyway, guys, if this was your first time watching a video on the channel, give this video a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button down below. Join us on our journey to 10,000 subscribers, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.